Welcome back to another technical video. Today, we'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution you need. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy, just like me, and work through to that resolution. Now, let's get started. And that's it, guys. I hope the video has helped find you to that resolution and you're able to get through your problem. If it did, guys, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. It does help me out. And until next time, have a good one.